Horses out, we have Johnson Dior, best to begin, moving up Arias, now is Cool Reception to take the leader. Cool Reception, the leader by about 2 lengths, and within second, Jam Magic Fantasy, Packet Rocket, alongside Johnson Dior, then followed by Alamunayan, Gobili, Simple Beauty, Madame Leonora. The second last is number 8, and that's Be My Baby, Blue Shake. Now we have Gobilis, followed by Alamunayan in second, Packet Rocket in third, Cool Reception in fourth, alongside Pip, Sun and Wind, moving up Magic Fantasy, Simple Beauty, Sweet Julian, Johnson Dior, Jam, Madame Leonora, Blue Shake, and Be My Baby still racing in last. Now we have Alamunayan, followed by Gobilis, and on the outside, Sun and Wind. Cool Reception is racing in fourth, Magic Fantasy, Sweet Julian. Down on the inside, Gobilis, then followed by Jam, Simple Beauty. Alamunayan, and on the outside now is Sweet Julian, Sun and Wind. Jam is racing in fourth, and followed by Cool Reception. As they come down at the last 150, we have Sweet Julian, and on the outside is Jam, Alamunayan, racing in third, Sun and Wind. But it's still Sweet Julian by about 2 lengths over Jam in second. And hitting the finish line, it's all number 4, Sweet Julian. Second, Jam, then comes number 2, Alamunayan, Madame Leonora, close, Cool Reception, Johnson Dior.
4-12 to 14-9-5.